First, the top stories. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU celebrates its 48th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee slams arrest of Secretariat employees who were on cease work strike. People's Day and Hill Leaders Day held in various district headquarters of the state. India records 6,298 fresh COVID cases along with 23 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. Welcome to PONYTV English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU today celebrated its 48th Foundation Day at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Minister of Public Works Department and Youth Affairs and Sports Govindas Konthauzam held an IPR Minister Sapam Ranjan, Kogendra Khomram President Editors Guild and WANGKHEMCHA Samchai President AMJU attended the celebration as Presidium members. Senior journalists and founder members of AMJU were also felicitated as a part of the celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Govindas Konthauzam appreciated the role of journalists during crucial times by referring to the examples of famous journalists who were killed mercilessly without leaving any single trace of dead bodies. He also stated that media persons are sometimes under pressure from different sides to publish or not to publish the news, and it usually puts them in dilemma. Work Minister further stated that the matter of construction of 2 guest rooms at Press Club for the welfare of AMJU will also be taken care of. He also assured that elevator will soon be equipped inside the office of AMJU's building.
Career is a sports person, is a journalist. Mahaki life ta thengnaba yaba, jenda sangba yaba sangmure, saba yadaba, mayam sara maroi sakpa yaba khongna kayam salamani, waba yaba. In the interest of the journalists, the fraternity,
Minister Sapam Ranjan lauded the role of journalists by stating that it is a 24-hour duty job and one that needs huge labor. He expressed that the welfare of the journalists needs serious concern just like that of health professionals. He also mentioned that the scheme of providing compensation to journalists and other grievances will be addressed. The government will also look into the matter of shortages of staff at IPR department and other pending issues and discuss the matter of journalist pension scheme with the commissioner and related officials. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee strongly condemned the arrest of Secretariat employees who were on cease work strike. Speaking on the press briefing held at Congress Bhavan today concerning the matter, MPCC spokesperson Ningombam Bhupendra said that the state government decision to arrest government employee shows that it will be difficult for the civilian to survive. He said those employees had started cease work strike with justification and that the Congress party doesn't take lightly the state government's decision to place them in custody. Additionally, he stated that it is legitimate for the Secretariat employees to demand that the service duration for those employees whose terms have ended not to be extended. Chief Minister himself had announced in cabinet decision that no service should be extended, but 6 months service term was extended for Chief Secretary, and as a result of 3 IAS officers of 1988 batch are still unable to hold the post of Chief Secretary, which makes the cabinet decision joke.
Between the Government of Manipur and MSSA on 15 September 2022, Masida Piriba resolution sings. I could Angapon Power, Madam de Carigino Hive Matam Sida. Makoi na Talibat demand singadu, demand Amadana, examine Tony High, noted, examined, high boy sing as a seasonarga, specific oiba, reply and the PDF. Secretariat the Tabuk Togri Migrana, I coigi, Sarkari Kamachari, Punamaki on the democratic demand, Togjuba Matam Sida, Sajiwas jail book. Sarkari employees should Nachadaba, Mission Prazamayam, Tawu Matam the day, Makoja Karikar Mazagado, Pubicado, machine ever. Aduna, democracy is a failure. Rule of all, Laitre, Ibo Venus, CM wedding, Matam the day, Kaidobuki 6-pay commission, Piro High, Aduga Hajik Laiba, Biri engine, CM with Matam the BJP Sarkar, Matam Sida, Sabian P, Kaidobuki Piro, Pigani, Hydra deadline, I'm a PBD. Adugi Mahota democratically protest Taujari English Hajiwa jail Tamnapu. She never can Basi. Aduna, Machi Mayam Praja, Punamagna Sukangi from Toy Haina, quite Tamjagi.
Meanwhile, Manipur Congress youth leader Ning Thousam Popilal said that the party will observe Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday tomorrow as National Unemployment Day and urged the unemployment youth of Manipur to be a part of the event.
September tang taraga taret asi India ki Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ki birthday ga mari lainana National Unemployment Day pangthok jagani aduna ekhoi Manipur da leibiriba unemployed youth thabak phanghodraba naha mayam hairiba National Unemployment Celebration asi saruk yaminanaba amadi masi support tawminana bagidamakta Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee gi taraftagi aina pausel asi lakchabani aduna ekhoi naha mayamna thabak phangdribase masigi matangda hayeng makhal makha mayam gi celebration makhal akhoi taunana bagi thorang toraga sem saraga leijarabani masida Manipur gi thabak phanghodraba naha singbusu Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee ne invite tawjabani aduna hayeng gi numit asidi tarai lowba yaba numit nate masidi naha singi future kangadaba numit ni aduna ngas hayeng gi numit asida mayam sem saraga leibiro haina masigi paujel su bijari.
Dhanamanjari College of Teachers Education today celebrated Golden Jubilee of its foundation at the Jubilee Hall of the college. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar, Professor N. Raj Mohan, Vice Chancellor DM University and MLA K.H. Joy Kisan, Dr. R.K. Lokendra, Principal, DM College of Teachers Education, graced the celebration. Addressing the gathering, Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar appealed all the experienced educators and teacher trainers to endorse the core values of character building to ensure the moral standards of the prospective teachers, which is incorporated in the National Education Policy NEP 2020. Around 20% of the student population will become 100% of the future, and we need to be serious in imparting the knowledge to the students. All the teachers who become teachers by choice as well as by accident should take places to impart knowledge with dedication and sincerity after passing out from the institute. Minister said that it's time to act to bring changes in education system of the state, even though there is acute shortages of infrastructure and teachers. The government is trying to manage the shortages and the transfer and posting policies considering the constraint faced by the teachers while performing their duties, he added.
Department khudimak ki oja watana leingai cherak sida yamna sarkar gi karamba agenda da tor even no khangdaba mawngda ngarang thokiba order magi matungina DM College of Arts ta 2019 dagi akhoi gi utilize tawrakanda leiribo oja amakha maram supcha chadana akhoi gi CI College Bisempur da transfer tokhiba na maram oirakanda ngasi akhoi gi session hobada ju ngai ringai cherak sida transfer tokhpiba se yamna niyom chumdaba sarkar gi karamba thongno khangdaba mathong maram khangdaba adugumba thawam khang oibana ngasi akhoina chhatra mayam thukchara kanda akhoi asigumba sarkar gi mathong huktaba thawong ase yaningdaba phongdok chabani aduga Manipur lenga ki mathau asibu oja transfer tawbasira habese akhoi hangjaninge ba akhoina ikayang goina hairabada number 2 tawnaba number 1 tawnaba akhoi gi leitraba adugumba college ki infrastructure leitraba classroom jangwada tilai gumbi chuba yaraba adugumba classroom singa se semjan bagi mahutta adugumla leiribo oja singa sibu transfer tokho kanda akhoi gi tokthok sin tobusina makhoi gi thabuk oira kanda adugumba awatpal leiri mayam sina mention da bida thambi basina sarkar gi thawong oira bra habise hangninge ba leiriba hojik ma oja transfer togani haidana thoiba order se ngasi numita akhoi kakkadabani.
People's Day was organized by the District Administration Taubal today at the Counting Hall of Deputy Commissioner Office Complex. A. Shubhas, Deputy Commissioner Taubal, heard various grievances and demands of the public personally. Altogether, applications for 231 schemes services were received today relating to different schemes. SP Taubal KISHORCHANDRA Hauvism, CMO Taubal Dr. Wainokul, all sub-divisional officers and other district-level officers of different departments attended the program. Speaking to the media, Deputy Commissioner said that the district administration is committed to solve the problems and grievances of the public, along with departments concerned for the betterment and welfare of the common citizen. More than 20 stalls of different departments were open to meet the demands of the public, including police, CMO, ICDS, JEO, MSPDCL, and veterinary. The District Administration Senapati organized District Hill Leaders Day and People's Day today at the Multipurpose Hall Mini Secretariat Senapati. 116 grievances were registered today and presented to DC and DLOs relating relief and disaster, health-related issues, agriculture, social welfare, DRDA, and many others. Medical Department also opened a stall for screening non-communicable diseases and COVID vaccination. During the event, Mahesh Chaudhary, Deputy Commissioner Senapati, distributed various items under various departments to its beneficiaries. It is also notified that the Directorate of Relief and Disaster Management will be conducting one-day training program on disaster management, basic search and rescue, first aid, landslide, etc. for youths, women organizations, Hills leaders at Multipurpose Hall near DC office Senapati on September 21, 2022. The District Administration of Jiribam also organized People's Day and Hill Leaders Day today at Chingdong Lekai, DC Complex, Jiribam. Additional Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, Jamshin Hang Singh, SDO Jiribam, S. Indrajit, M. Devananda, SDC Borobekra, and other district-level officers of various departments of the district attended the event. Additional Deputy Commissioner Jiribam heard the grievances of the people one by one and instructed the officials of the department concerned to redress their grievances. More than 135 applicants of the various issues were received for further necessary action. On the sidelines of the event, ADC Sri Jamshin Hang Singh stressed the importance of organizing such an event and urged the people to reap the benefits arranged by the government. The District Administration Churachandpur held District Hill Leaders Day and People's Day today at Multipurpose Hall Mini Secretariat Complex, Tuibong. Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, Sarat Chandra Aroju, and district-level officers and officers from line departments interacted with the people to ensure that the grievances of the people are addressed adequately. As a part of the program, 41 different government departments set up tables, vaccination program and health checkup counters were set up by Health Department. 14 persons were administered vaccination and 26 persons were provided free medical checkup. Written applications on different subjects including drug menace in the town and frequent power shutdown were also received. A total of 150 complaints or applicants were received, out of which 110 were resolved on the spot and 40 still pending. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates.
DS Enterprises Kasamthongna organized over Manga Suba Langbal Kaikil. Nakadoriba September gi tang taraga tagi October gi tang taraga ni thoi phawa Palace Compound leiba hapta kangjebing da pangthok sargani.
Langbal Kaikil asida Manipur da leiriba furuk khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sing thongbigani.
Mangarak suba Langbal Kaikil asida national amadi international gi oiba store chama hena saruk yagadori.
Nipal tangana pangthokwa festival amani. Festival asida gambling item amati yawjaroi, handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina Soul 20 khudongtawa thamjai.
Tongan tongan musical event, rock show, Manipuri matam isai loinana With the Star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su Langbal Kaithel ubo khongbigani.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaithel.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaithel.
Welcome back. A joint team of CDO unit Taubal and a team of Nongpok Sekmai police station along with a column of 16 AR apprehended an active cadre of prescribed UNLF from Mayai Kaithel near Forest Office today at around 10:30 a.m. Based on a reliable input, a joint team of CDO unit Taubal and a team of Nongpok Sekmai police station and a column of 16 AR led by additional SP operation O WANGKHEMCHA and assisted by officer in charge CDO unit Taubal K Nitranjan and under the supervision of SP Taubal KISHORCHANDRA Haubism rushed to Mayai Kaithel in Taubal at around 9:30 a.m. today and arrested one Morangthem Niraj Elias Yaima, 25, son of M. Ingocha of Huikap Mayai Laikai. During inquiry, he revealed that he joined UNLF in the month of April 2021 through one Rajas of UNLF. He got 45 days basic military training at Mithit training camp of 42 JHQ Battalion, Myanmar under Army number 248 of 46 batch. He is presently holding the rank of self-styled private and working under the command of self-styled publicity secretary since January 2022 at camp. The arrested person has been handed over to Nongpok Sekmai and a case has been registered for further necessary legal action. A team of Imphal East Commando apprehended an individual along with 300 bottles of cough syrup from Mantripukri near Durga Mandir yesterday. A team of Imphal East Commando led by ASI Victor conducted normal frisking and checking at Mantripukri near Durga Mandir. In that, one white-color Tata Winger bearing registration number MN06LA3936 coming towards Imphal from Korenge side was stopped and on checking the vehicle found two cartoon boxes inside the vehicle. Under Section 50 of NDPS Act, he was given option for search, to which he opted to be searched in the presence of executive magistrate and civil witnesses. Immediately, ASI Victor contacted Imphal East District Magistrate Office and accordingly deputed one executive magistrate, namely Pinky Lukram, who is SDC BO of Deputy Commissioner Imphal East. ASI Victor then started searching his body and belonging in the presence of the executive magistrate and two independent civil witnesses and 300 bottles of cough syrup that leveled MMD cough syrup, a mobile phone and one Aadhaar card along with the vehicles were seized from his possession. The driver has been identified as Thang Lem 1, age 21, care of Ginland of Laljomland, Vang Cheng Konpang, Churachandpur district. The arrested person and the seized narcotics items that had been handed over to Haingang police station for undertaking further legal procedures against him. A campaign committee on crime against women and children along with NGOs, CSOs, CBOs and JSC stages a mass rally come public meeting today protesting the increase of crime against women and children. The rally was started from Kagwalam Daibung and culminated at Social Worker Club Hairangoi Thong, where a public meeting was also held. Childline Director of Bisnupur, Dr. L. Pisak, speaking on the matter, rubbished the notion that women wearing revealing clothes leads to increase of violence against women. She claimed that even when women dress provocatively, the number of victims would decline if men had a respect for and protective attitude towards women. Citing that drug use increases domestic violence, she urged the state government and civil society organization to take up required action to stop violence against women and human trafficking in the state.
adu thodu thok ya da kaching ko ya da jaga jaga khudi makta nupi masa sing jibu nungsini thakpini thambini no hongbini ya to wirga makhoi bu uthok pirga ijaman birba even ijaman lo matun musumu hatuk pibe case box du ki mati manipur se pak chana risang sina lak pasa masi se yari makai dem tan government na lenga na pani ma thabak asida he na su ko civil society na mateng pang sile haraga government su fully thabak se pakha pe yaba then public su father support to yaba government public partnership to kan dang sagi survivor sing se he na justice delivery system da la piraga makhoi justice pa phang bata raga de makhoi nungai jabat wabani adu makhoi dum phangnabai de mak matu pandam du da he na masi he na sanction ba yaba da karai legi eba pot ngasi pandam mangulena ngasi songan to district ma amad la piraga ngasi sumu rele se panthok sabani haiba
A graduation ceremony for MBBS passed out students of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences was organized by the Graduation Ceremony Celebration Committee of the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal yesterday at the Jubilee Hall, RIMS, Imphal. During the occasion, 53 meritorious students are awarded by dignitaries of the ceremony and also released annual report on academic activities. The ceremony was attended by Minister for Youth Affairs and Sport Govindas Kwanthouzam, Director of RIMS Imphal Professor A. Santa Singh, Retired Lieutenant General Indian Army K. Himalay, former Additional DG Health Services Government of India Padma Shri awardee Dr. Indira Chakraborty, former Director of RIMS Imphal Professor L. Fimat, Director Medical Superintendent of RIMS Hospital Professor N. Sanjib Singh, Dean Academic Professor Brogan Singh Akoijam, Sub-Dean Examination Professor T.H. Meera Devi. Addressing at the ceremony, Minister Govindas Kwanthouzam said that since Professor A. Santa Singh became director, RIMS has improved and seen lots of changes towards development. Highlighting that doctors are next to God, he advised to all the doctors to serve their service by possessing good attitude, humanity, and most importantly to treat all patients equally without keeping partiality and practice of VIP culture. He also congratulated all the pass-out MBBS students. Discussion over resolving border issues between Assam and Mizoram have gained momentum. A second round of chief ministerial level talks between the two states is reportedly slated to be held on September 19 in New Delhi. Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and his Mizoram counterpart Joram Thanga will head the delegations from the respective states during the talks on September 19. Chief Minister of Assam and Mizoram had earlier agreed to hold talks in September. Assam and Mizoram share a 164.6 kilometer long interstate border. Border dispute between Assam and Mizoram have been going on since 1987, the year when Mizoram attained full statehood. India recorded a total of 6,298 fresh COVID cases along with 23 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,45,22,777. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 5,916 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,273. Out of 23 fatalities, 21 were from Maharashtra, 4 from Kerala, 3 from Delhi, and 1 is from Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Punjab, Rajasthan, and West Bengal. Taking the daily positivity rate at 1.89%, the total active cases has declined to 46,748 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.71% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 215.17 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we wrap up the news, the top stories once again. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU celebrates its 48th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee slams arrest of Secretariat employees who were on cease work strike. People's Day and Hill Leaders Day held in various district headquarters of the state. India records 6,298 fresh COVID cases along with 23 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.